Hi folks. So just a little bit about Lab 5 this week. We're doing a tsunami risk assessment for Port Alberni. Um, and so this is the most involved lab that we've had yet. It's kind of an introduction to what a full workflow might look like if you're working as a GIS consultant. On top of that, we're also getting an introduction into something called Model Builder this week, which is an interactive window that allows us to link up chains of processes together so that we can create a model that we can run all in one go, rather than doing what's called point and click GIS, where you just run tool by tool. Instead, we can link everything together. This is nice because it allows us to lay out our full workflow. We can visualize it, we can repeat it, and most importantly, as you'll see in lab, we can change it if needed. So if our input parameters change or some environments or requirements change, it's very easy to make small edits or changes. It's easy to swap out one input layer for another, or change a specific height requirement for the tsunami, for instance. So we're going to get an introduction in a model builder. It's a pretty convenient tool to work with. Lab 5 is also a bit different because I've written the whole thing in a Canvas quiz. So you'll see that you just follow through in the quiz document. And I've tried to incorporate some of the feedback that I got from the survey I gave a couple weeks ago, as well as a little bit of what the TAs have suggested. And this lab is primarily, the instructions are primarily video based. So you can follow along in the Canvas quiz. So if you look at any step where we need you to run some process or set something up or go retrieve some data, you'll see there's some video instructions embedded in Canvas. Now, I've also linked to the video instructions on YouTube because some people, depending on the browser they're using, have some difficulty with the videos on Canvas. So you can watch the video, and that should help you work through each of the steps and hopefully make things a little bit clearer than the text-based instructions that you've been working.